Welcome to Ask Cougar Science, where we do the experiments that kids ask to see. Calcium carbide is a very interesting compound. Its chemical formula is CaC2. You can see that calcium carbide is a hard and dark gray-brown material. Calcium carbide reacts with water to form acetylene gas and calcium oxide. Let's watch this reaction take place by adding some calcium carbide to water. Notice the formation of bubbles, which indicates the formation of acetylene gas. Also, the cloudiness you see developing is due to the formation of calcium oxide, which is white in color. Now, acetylene gas is quite explosive. It reacts vigorously with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water, and a lot of energy. We'll use this setup here to show you that. I'll take some calcium carbide and place it into this container here. And then I'll place the calcium carbide into the water, which will make some acetylene gas. And then we'll try to ignite the acetylene gas that's forming through this small opening in the flask right here. Wow, that was a pretty big bang! The properties of calcium carbide allow for a really neat experiment. We'll fill this pan with some ice. And now we'll add some pellets of calcium carbide. You might notice some fizzing. That fizzing is the reaction that's happening between the melted ice, which is water, and the calcium carbide to form acetylene gas. So as the ice melts, the water that's formed reacts with the calcium carbide to form acetylene gas, which we should be able to light on fire. It looks like fire and ice! This experiment was inspired by Dylan and Brielle from Pennsylvania. They asked to see an experiment that involved fire, ice, explosions, and electricity. Well, it looks like we were able to do an experiment with fire, ice, and explosions, but we didn't quite fit in electricity. I hope 3 out of 4 isn't too bad. Thanks, Dylan and Brielle.